apples and roses. Red is the color of apples and roses. It's bright and full of cheer. Blue is the color of oceans and skies. Oceans and skies. Oceans and skies. Blue is the color of oceans and skies. It's calm and oh so clear. Yellow is the color of the shining sun. Shining sun. Shining sun. Yellow is the color of the shining sun. It's happy and so fun. Green is the color of grass and trees. Grass and trees. Grass and trees. Green is the color of grass and trees. It's fresh like a summer breeze. Solo. Orange is the color of pumpkins and fruit. Pumpkins and fruit. Pumpkins and fruit. Orange is the color of pumpkins and fruit. It's bold and super cute. Purple is the color of grapes and flowers. Grapes and flowers. Grapes and flowers. Purple is the color of grapes and flowers. It's royal and full of power. Pink is the color of flamingo so bright. Flamingo so bright. Flamingo so bright. Pink is the color of flamingo so bright. It's soft and feels just right. White is the color of snow and clouds. Snow and clouds. Snow and clouds. White is the color of snow and clouds. It's peaceful and not too loud. Suburdo. Black is the color of the night and cold. Night and cold. Night and cold. Black is the color of the night and cold. It's strong and makes things whole. Brown is the color of chocolate and trees. Chocolate and trees. Chocolate and trees. Brown is the color of chocolate and trees. It's earthy and sure to please. Gray is the color of treasures and stone. Azures and stone. Elephants and stone. Gray is the color of treasures and stone. It's earthy and sure to please. Gold is the color of treasures and sun. Treasures and stone. Elephants and stone. Gold is the color of treasures and stone. It shines on everyone. Silver is the color of stars at night. Stars at night. Stars at night. Silver is the color of stars at night. It sparkles in the light. Violet is the color of flowers in spring. Flowers in spring. Flowers in spring. Violet is the color of flowers in spring. It's lovely in everything it knows. Turquoise is the color of seas so bright. Seas so bright. Seas so bright. Turquoise is the color of seas so bright. It's fresh and feels just right. Lavender is the color of fields so wide. Fields so wide. Fields so wide. Lavender is the color of fields so wide. It's soft and full of pride. Of pride. Peach is the color of fruit that's sweet. Fruit that's sweet. Fruit that's sweet. Peach is the color of fruit that's sweet. A treat that's fun to eat. Maroon is the color of leaves in the fall. Leaves in the fall.